This is a short video on how to do number 13 on the decision-making test on systems of equations. First of all, we want to look at what the question is telling us and write it as an equation. If you'll notice, we have 38 microscopes we're going to purchase, 47 dissection kits we're going to purchase for $3,980. That's how we get this first equation. That's pretty straightforward. The M represents the cost per microscope, and the D represents the cost per dissection kit. As we move on, the key question that you always want to ask yourself on a story problem is, how can I make things equal? In the second part of this story problem, it says a microscope costs 4 times as much as the dissection kit. Now this is where we need to think. If a microscope costs 4 times as much as a dissection kit, what should I times by 4? A lot of kids think you should take the microscope cost times 4 and set it equal to the dissection kit. This would be faulty thinking. Think about it. If the microscope costs 4 times as much of a dissection kit, and the dissection kit costs $1, how much would the microscope cost? $4, correct. However, this means you're going to have to multiply the dissection kit by 4, 1 times 4, to make them equal. Again, the key question you have to ask yourself is, how can I make things equal as you go to write these equations? So that brings us to the next part, which is that M, the microscope cost, will equal 4 times the dissection kit cost, because the microscope cost is 4 times more. So therefore M equals 4D. That's what I'm going to use for my second equation. So I have the top equation, as you can see at the top of the page, and I have the bottom equation that I got from thinking about how can I make things equal, which is key on this test. We then are going to use substitution. We do that by replacing the M in the very top equation with 4D, as shown. Next, we multiply 38 times 4D, and we end up with 152D plus 47D equals 399.80. Then we have 199D equals 39.80. We divide both sides by 199, and D equals 20. This actually means that the dissection kits each cost $20. We sub that back into the equation for the cost of microscopes. M equals 4 times D. D is $20 a kit, so therefore M equals 4 times 20. 4 times 20 is 80, therefore the microscopes cost $80 each.